In Bayana, already state government agencies, Department of Tourism, Fisheries and Captain of Ports already given an NOC. From our side, our foreshore area up to the road is there. So our foreshore area, we have allotted a parcel of land. They will develop a passenger seating arrangement and a ticketing hall and all. And they will do the wooden temporary jetty. From there, they will operate the ferry services. So we told the operator to give the action plan, and they will be submitting the action plan in a week or so.
How much area they have?
1,500 square meter we have given. So passenger waiting area and ticketing and washrooms and all the facilities will be there. Because any tourist comes, they have to stay there, wait there and go. So it is like a facility.
When we can expect?
Most probably we told them to start in the coming tourist season itself. But they have not given their whatever the ferries they are procuring from the Europe, that plan and all they have not given. So I am expecting that by December they will be in a position to start. So I will give the confirmation only after getting the news from them.